My baby! Think, believe, or imagine that your father will want to harm our son or you.
I told you that there is nothing wrong with both of you.
Why is your daddy in this conversation? Is it because he lives with us?
I'm giving you 7 days to tell me everything you know about my health and that of my son.
Nothing as annoying as living in a house with a group of persons that don't like you.
Give yourself a dirty slap. Another one.
Which living soul go just slap himself just like that? Did anyone beat you? Let me devour the person like a lion.
I said leave my wife! Shut up! I am your son's legally wedded wife!
Williams, tell your son the truth.
Shut up! You're an evil man!
Queen, I married you. If anything happens to you, I'll be held responsible.
Politely ask me to leave and I will leave. Taxi! Oh, taxi! Taxi!
I just should see this thing would happen to small Oga and his son. You know go past village people.
Yes, to know the evil bastard of a man he has. Even if it means losing my marriage in the process, I don't care, but he will hear.
You will not leave this house to anywhere for any reason until the doctor says you are fit. I'm gonna kill you!
Get out! I said to get lost!
You're mad. Thank you. My daughter-in-law and my house are outside crying, and you are here telling me to calm down.
I have no friggin' idea what plans you and your daddy have up your sleeves. If you have anything to do with his sickness, I beg you to say something. Speak out and save my boy's life.
Get me my phone.